Hello, friends! Let's learn about hydrofacials today. I visited ClinLab Aesthetics for a facial in Faisal Town, Lahore, which is next to Jinnah Hospital. Dr. Rabab at ClinLab Aesthetics suggested I receive a hydrofacial because lately my skin has been feeling extremely dry. They conduct their procedures in this room. I'm eager to experience it because it will be the first hydrofacial of my life. The hydrofacial treatment is suitable for individuals of all ages and skin types. It is easily tolerable even by the most sensitive skin. My skin type is extremely dry and sensitive. Additionally, I have sunspots, aging skin, blemishes, blackheads, whiteheads, enlarged pores, and pigmentation all over my face. Let's see what difference hydrofacial can make on my face. Unlike traditional facials, the hydrofacial is a multi step facial treatment typically performed with a proprietary machine. Using patented technology, hydrofacial cleanses, extracts, and hydrates the skin with super serums made of nourishing ingredients that give it a happy glow. This treatment is a great option for people of different ages with a variety of skin problems and offers many benefits for the skin. First, the esthetician is cleansing my skin with a milk cleanser. Dry skin like mine lacks naturally occurring oils and can feel rough and tight. A cleansing milk works best since it cleanses without drying the skin out, whilst also softening and nourishing the skin. As a result, my skin does not feel dry or irritated. The next step is to do a deep cleansing. This cleansing helps rid the skin of unwanted buildup of oil, toxins, dirt, bacteria, and all skin cell debris, all of which contribute to unwanted skin conditions like acne and premature aging. My skin is already glowing. The esthetician placed a neck pillow under my neck for the next steps for additional comfort. The hydrofacial is costing 9,000 rupees at ClinLab Aesthetics, but with my code LENEHA, LENEHA, you'll get a 35% discount. Now they are applying ultrasound gel to my face to help open my pores with a heating handle. The heating handle feels warm to the skin. Meanwhile, red light therapy treats inflammation, skin roughness, and reduces skin wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Now they are going to use an RF handle. RF stands for radio frequency. It stimulates the production of collagen, elastin, and new skin cells. The procedure firms sagging skin, making you look younger while improving your skin tone. You feel a little buzz of nanocurrent on your face during this session. It is felt more in the bony areas. The next step is using a facial ultrasonic on the face. It uses ultrasound waves to loosen and remove dead skin cells and restore the natural vibrancy. I am thoroughly enjoying this entire procedure. So far, my skin feels hydrated and I don't feel any type of irritation. In step 6, they use magic liner which specifically improves jawline and double chin, which I badly need. It has nanocurrent passing through it to tighten muscles. It doesn't hurt, instead, I am feeling a little vibration inside my skin. In this step, they use small facial lifters with red light therapy. Friends, I think that a hydrofacial is better than a regular facial as it targets your skin problem deeper into the skin and it costs almost the same as a regular facial. A hydrofacial treatment can improve your skin in a ton of ways. Its many benefits include a more hydrated, bright, plump, and clear complexion. Now they are using eye ultrasonic. It helps with pigmentation, dark circles, under eye bags, and the sagging skin of the eyes. It increases collagen production to get rid of dark circles and lifts eyebrows as well. The main purpose of all the tools in Hydrafacial is to improve blood circulation for a youthful glow. Although everyone's skin is different, results typically last anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks. But it is recommended to get a Hydrafacial monthly. Now they are using an ultrasonic facial scrubber. This step is gentle, working at the root of your pores to help purge any grime from within. Ultrasonic face scrubber is great for minimizing the look of pores while also effectively removing trapped dirt and debris without any damage. This did hurt a little on my skin since my skin is sensitive. This device also had a little vibration. Now, it is my life's very first time to get blackheads and whiteheads extracted. And it is hurting a lot, but the extraction is so satisfying. My nose has started to shine after the extraction. Wow! Now they are going to use a suction pump that is going to cleanse my pores deeply while also inserting serum into my skin. It sounds so funny though. Usually this device is dragged on the skin, but since my skin is sensitive, that's why it is being used like this. Now, a cooling handle with blue light therapy is being applied to my skin to shrink pores. The cooling handle feels cold on the skin and I'm enjoying it. Blue light is anti-inflammatory that improves acne and kills bacteria. It reduces eczema and heals red spots, blisters, and cysts. Now they are going to apply a face mask on my face, but before that, they're applying a suction pump on my lips since they are very dry. I'm thoroughly enjoying this entire process, but you guys must be wondering about the side effects or cons of Hydrafacial. Mild redness and itching on the skin which subsides within 30 minutes. If the Hydrafacial treatment is conducted on an active rash or sunburn, it might aggravate it. Skin infections or active skin concerns like rosacea can also worsen if the treatment is administered to it. So now they're giving me LED light therapy with my face mask on to lock in all the moisture. LED light therapy increases the amount of collagen in the skin, which can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and signs of aging. It also improves acne, dermatitis, eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, scarring, and sun damage. Now, after LED light therapy, the esthetician is using an oxygen infusion facial spray gun to reduce signs of aging, boost collagen production, and moisturize the skin. For the last step, they are applying vitamin C serum on my skin to take care of pigmentation, blemishes, and to lighten dark spots. We are done! That's how I look right now. My skin is looking even and brighter overall. My under eye dark circles have lightened and it's not puffy like before. My pores look better. My blackheads are gone. My pigmentation and blemishes do feel lighter to me. Even the redness on my skin is gone. These are the instant results, though the proper results of HydraFacial are seen in 3 to 7 days. I love the results so far. I'm going to recommend all of you to get HydraFacial, and if you're in Lahore, do check ClinLab Aesthetics out. Bye!